BioAcne pH Toner. The BioAcne pH Toner is a balancing and refreshing alcohol-free organic treatment that brings back a healthy pH to oily, impure, and acneic skin. It will be used immediately after cleansing the skin and after each skincare step that requires rinsing the skin with water. BioAcne pH Toner comes in a spray bottle for a quick and easy application. Advantage number 1. Restores a healthy skin pH. The protective acid mantle is a film that naturally forms on the surface of the epidermis, made up of sweat, dead cells, and sebum. A healthy acid mantle has a pH of 5.5 on average. This slightly acidic environment is ideal to prevent the growth of acne-causing bacteria and maintain a healthy skin's microbiota. In the case of acne-prone skin, this protective acid mantle is imbalanced and thus can promote the growth of acne-causing bacteria. BioAcne pH Toner restores balance to the skin's pH and microbiota. As a reminder, water creates an imbalance of the acid mantle. In fact, water has a neutral pH of 7, making it more alkaline than the skin. This is why the BioAcne pH Toner is particularly recommended after rinsing your face with water. It immediately stabilizes your skin's pH, restoring the optimal balance required for the next step in your skincare routine. Advantage number 2. Improves skin texture. BioAcne pH Toner contains comedolytic salicylic acid from willow bark along with astringent burdock root extracts. Together, these ingredients normalize sebum on the skin surface and help minimize the appearance of pores. Rich in moisturizing polysaccharides, BioAcne pH Toner preserves the skin hydration and improves skin texture. Advantage number 3. Anti-inflammatory effects. BioAcne pH Toner contains nettle extracts and lavender floral water, which calm inflammation and sensitive acneic skin. It helps reduce redness for a fresher and more even-looking complexion. Results: the optimal skin pH is immediately balanced. The complexion is clearer, fresher, and more uniform. Pores are visibly improved. The skin is ready for the next skincare steps. How to use it? For daily use after cleansing the skin. Spray BioAcne pH Toner on your face and neck, avoiding your eyes. Massage the skin gently to ensure better penetration of the product. Finish with the application of BioAcne Purifying Gel.